Well, if you weren't before, you've likely become a bit of a clean freak thanks to COVID-19. Let's face it, we're way beyond a light dusting. Today's battle of the bug focuses on the rug and Love Your Rug, Canada's largest rug cleaning operation. Let us call Tony Kantzavelos to the carpet for more. Tony, good morning.
Good morning, George. Thanks for having me on today.
Oh, our pleasure. So over 1 million rugs cleaned. That is impressive. How long has Love Your Rug been at this? And is there anything you can't or won't clean?
This is pretty much your one-stop shop. And we've been in business since 1896. Wow. Been through two pandemics. And in 1920, after the Spanish flu, this company converted over to rug cleaning. So this is our 100th year cleaning rugs.
Wow.
Love Your Rug. Yeah.
What a story.
We're proud of the organization.
As you should be. Okay, Tony, let's review this 7-step factory cleaning process. Take us through it step by step.
Step number 1, we receive the carpet. It comes in, it's inspected for stains and dirt and damages. We photograph multiple photographs, download it onto our POS software system. We review each rug at the end of the process to make sure that it's clean. Okay. Step 1. 2, the most important step is dusting. So without this, you're really not doing anything at all, because those dust particles get into the fiber, deep into the fiber.
Right.
It's like a piece of sandpaper. Over time, you think you're doing it with a vacuum cleaning, but you're really not, and it's just wearing out the pile, and pretty soon those handmade rugs have bald spots.
Okay, now step 3 is pre-treatment. What's that all about?
Well, we look for stains. We identify, for example, the most common is animal stains. Pee-pee, that's number 1. And other things. So we identify the stain, we mark what's on there, and then we get it ready for the first wash.
Okay, and that is step 4, the machine wash. And before you tell us about that, I want to know, have you had to reformulate solutions and what you actually use to wash these carpets because of COVID?
We have, we started about a year ago to reformulate our detergents and introduced lanolins and eucalyptus oils into our detergents. We blend them in-house, and then we make sure that the pile is groomed in the right direction. The wool and fabrics become really, really soft, and COVID has actually come to us at kind of the time of the year that we're just about ready to get busy. And we have one advantage here. We have a temperature-controlled room that's at 135 degrees Fahrenheit, and that heat pretty much does it at the end of the process.
Okay, let's zip through these last 3 steps so we can talk about more, the exciting stuff at the end. Steps 5, 6, and 7, drying, final inspection, and then the package and shipping.
Yeah, so we have a conveyor belt system here, and we actually have it set up here so that we can show you rugs going up into our drying chamber. If we can get that down,
yeah, we're watching it right now. We're watching the B-roll.
It's all set up behind me. If we can just get it started.
Oh, sure, okay.
Our lead technician is just about to get that going.
Okay, that's fine, because we've been watching the B-roll too. Tony, while that's starting up, let me ask you if you can hear me. Do you guys do repairs too?
We offer a wide range of repairs. Everything from basic things like refringing, fixing corners, resurging the ends, to color correction, because a lot of the carpets are coming out of floods where the dyes migrate one into the other. So we're doing a lot of color corrections right now.
Cool. And the last thing I want from me, a question, have you guys seen a surge in business now, or do you expect it's really going to become bigger once, the service industries like restaurants, hotels, once that starts to really reopen?
Well, we were really worried March 17th because we had to make some real key, quick decisions and lay off a bunch of people, 57 to be exact. But we focused in on the rug cleaning and did a little bit of promoting in the city. And actually, this is the most kindest, gentlest Toronto I've seen, being an inner city kid growing up in East York.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, for forever. People are really at home. We have their attention. They're
Sure.
online. They're leaving them on the front porch, rolling them up, exactly what they should be doing. There's no traffic on the road. Gas is cheap, so we're doing our thing.
Tony Kantzavelos, we are now going to present an amazing giveaway courtesy of you generous folks at Love Your Rug. Listen to this. For the first 10 essential workers that go to our contest line, we're talking healthcare, food service, grocery, that kind of thing, go to contest@cp24.com. Again, the first 10 essential workers will get a free 7-step rug cleaning from the folks at Love Your Rug. It's pickup, delivery. It's all included, all COVID precautions in effect. This is a $300 value, 10 of them, again, and the offer is valid until September 30th of this year. Tony Kantzavelos, I thank you so much for your time. Great show and tell. Good stuff, and keep up the good, clean work, okay?
We're big fans of CP24. Thanks, George.
And now I'm a big fan of yours, too. Thanks, Tony.